Okay, morning I gave one question. Some of you have done all by yourself. I'll tell you the solution of that, but I want to give one more question. What is the number continuation I should give? 15 I should give. Okay. Morning we done 14, right?
Yes.
Okay. 14 I'll discuss solution once again, but still. Delta 1 is equal to A1 square plus B1 plus C1. A1 A2 plus B2 plus C2. A1 A3 plus B3 plus C3. B1 B2 plus C1. B2 square plus C2. B2 B3 plus C3. C3 C1. C3 C2. C3 square. Okay. Let me just say like this. Show that this is equal to A1 into B2 into C3 into that A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C2. You have to show this debt equal to this debt without expanding using some properties or something like that.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can you read the matrix, please?
I'll read it. No problem. Wait. Okay. Okay. Show that the determinant first row I'm reading A1 square plus B1 plus C1. This is A1 A2 plus B2 plus C2. This is A1 A3.
This is from IP textbook, sir.
Yeah, in IP textbook it is there, but we write in class notes only. I'll
Yes,
discuss
sir.
from my notes.
Okay, sir.
A1 A3 plus B3 plus C3. This is the first row. Second row B1 B2 plus C1, B2 square plus C2, B2 B3 plus C3, C3 C1, C3 C2, C3 square. You have to show equal to A1 into B2 into C3 into this determinant. Okay, morning 14th question. It was A square plus 1 AB AC. BA B square plus 1 BC. CA CB C square plus 1. Okay, some of you completed, but still I'll write some explanation. Take A common from column 1, B common from column 2, C common from column 3. Then it will become A, B, C. A square plus 1 by A. Taking A common here, right? Okay. B, C. Here B. Taking B common here. So here A. Here B square plus 1 by B. Here C. Here A. Here B. Here C square plus 1 by C. So this is the original question. After doing this, we'll get it. Now I'm going to multiply A with first row, B with second row, C with third. Multiply R1 with A, R2 with B, and R3 with C. Okay. When you multiply A here, B here, C here, directly will get the answer. Okay. When you do this, directly you will get RHS. I don't have place, so I just wrote like that. Okay, I hope 14th question now. Mostly everybody completed in the morning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 15th question, I will be discussing some 3 or 4 methods. Okay. If somebody completed by one method, you just think, is there any other alternative to do 15th question?
Sir,
Yes, Rohit, tell.
we can take common, sir. A1, B2, C3.
You want to take straight away A1 common? Are you sure?
At first row, sir. First row A1, second row
No.
B2.
First, if you take A1 common, you'll get by A1 here, by A1 here. You cannot take common only here, here, here. No. Whatever other terms. Okay. I think only third row you can take common. Okay, I hope at least 15th question everybody determined clear.
Sir?
Everybody is
Sir?
that is not. Yes, please.
From the row 1
Sir,
A1 common and row 2 B1 common, row 3 C1 common, like C3, B2, A1.
See, in third row you can take C3 common, and but in second row, anyway, somebody
B2.
name is Sai Ratnakar. Somebody is there. You
Sir,
have to
sir,
rename you.
Kasi Vishwanath only, sir. By mistake, I joined from my brother previously. My
Okay,
charges
sure.
over, sir.
Okay,
I
try
asked
to.
Srikam ma'am to change my name.
You can. You are not able to rename.
Sir, actually,
That
I
option is
should
not
leave
there.
it again. I can come.
Okay, all right, fine. See, if you cannot directly take A1 common in the first row because you have to divide it A1 here, 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 here also, right?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, we
Shashidhar.
with second row, sir. Then we get.
Yeah. After taking C3 common, you subtract from second row, right? Yeah. Yes, somebody is saying
Yes, sir.
something.
yes, sir.
Anything
After
else?
well, first we have to take C3 common from third row and subtract the third row from to second row.
Yes.
With second.
Yes, correct. So we have to do step by step on. Right. Okay. So morning, in the last minute, I stopped with a question. I hope everybody completed that 14th one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one thing I want to tell for other students, I see some students are more responsive than others. It's okay, I don't mind. But other students, they should not think, some children are doing very well, we are not that fast. Don't think like that. Okay, over a time, I think you may do better than others also. Okay. But if you have a doubt, you should ask. You should not keep with you. There's others answered. You should not think, oh, others they already answered. Why should I ask? No. We are ready to go very slow, not an issue at all. We want that everybody should understand the concept nicely than just somehow running fast and finishing the syllabus. It's like they say, operation is successful and patient is dead. Anybody had something like that?
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So not that I taught everything nicely and the people have not understood. Okay. So I don't want that to happen. Any doubt, small or big, feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. Method 1, I want to do slightly different. I just want to decrease the number of steps. I'm a little lazy to write so much. I want to write R1 as R1 minus 1 by C3 times third row, and R2 as R2 minus 1 by C3 times third row. I can take C3 common. In the next step I can subtract, but I want to do this. What will happen now to the determinant? Okay, in first row now I'm able to remove C1, C2, C3. So when I divide C3 and subtract it. Yes, please.
Sir, now you are doing 2 steps in single step.
I said, na, we can do maximum 2 operations at one step, no problem. But they should not contradict each other, because I am using third row to change R1 and R2, so not an issue. If I am using, let us say, R2 here, am I using old R2 or new R2? There will be confusion, but I am not using it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Maximum you can do 2 steps, 2 operations, one, not a problem. So when I do this, I will get A1 square plus B1, A1, A2 plus B2, and A1, A3 plus B3. Next, here this is gone. So B1, B2, B2 square, B2, B3, and C3, C1, C3, C2, and C3 square. Now I can write R1 as R1 minus 1 by B2 times R2. When I divide this with B2 and subtract here, I will be getting A1 square, A1, A2, A1, A3, B1, B2, B2 square, B2, B3, and C3, C1, C3, C2, C3 square. Now I can take A1 common here, B2 common here, C3 common here. I get A1, B2, C3 into A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. I hope from here to here it is clear. I took A1 common from the first row, B2 common from the second row, C3 common from the third row. Okay. Method 2 I'll write here, which most of you have done here. Take C3 common from column 3. Sorry, R3. Take C3 common from R3. Then the determinant will come A1 square plus B1 plus C1, A1, A2 plus B2 plus C2, and A1, A3 plus B3 plus C2.
Sir, should we write both of the methods, sir?
Yeah, if you feel that something you are learning through that, you write it. Okay. This is B1, B2 plus C1. This is B2 square plus C2. This is B2, B3 plus C3. And this is, because I took C3 common outside, I have to write C3, I should not forget. This is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Bhavani, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I took third row C3 common. Now I want to subtract this both from first and second row. So now I want to do R1 as R1 minus R3. In the same step, you can do R2 as R2 minus R3. So C3 as it is. This I am removing both here and here. So it is A1 square plus B1, A1, A2 plus B2, A1, A3 plus B3. From this, if I remove B1, B2, B2 square, B2, B3. Next C1, next C2, C3. because they're huge determinants, I don't have place. I have to force to write small letters.
Sir?
Yes, Bhavani, tell.
Sir, is it common?
Yes, take C3 common from R3. Yes. Any part of the solution, if it is not legible for somebody, please tell me. I'll write it for them.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, actually, in the method one, we did row 1 minus
I
1
said,
by column 3, no, sir.
When I'm doing this, row 3 will not change. Because in one of the properties, said, for example, when you write R1 as R1 plus 5 R2, it is not that R2 will change. R2 will remain as it is. But 5 times R2 is added to R1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, when I do this operation, I am not doing with R3. R3, I did not even write anywhere. Okay, but I have to divide this with C3 or multiply with 1 by C3. Dividing or multiplying thing. Divide this with 1 by C3 and then subtract here. So here C1, C2, C3 will go, but doesn't mean here C3 will go. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in the last step, I think we need to transpose it, sir.
Oh, acha. In the answer is given A1, B1, C1 in a row wise.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. I did not see that. Okay. So please write equal to and write by transpose, because det of A equal to det of A transpose. Thank you. Okay. Here one more step is there where first column should be first row, second column should be second row, third column should be third. Okay. I'm going to discuss one more method 3 after this over, where I'll show you answer in one step only without writing much.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, now in every step we are writing that which row or which column we are changing and how we are changing.
Yeah, we should mention that every time which operation we are doing. Because if I don't write that, how somebody will know what is that I have done to get from here to here now? Right now it is obvious, but later on when you see it will not be clear. Okay, so even in the exam, you should write these operations. What is that you are doing?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, please.
if we transpose it, the determinant is also same answer, sir.
Yeah. When you transpose also, determinant will not change.
Okay, sir.
In fact, when you expand, when we learnt about determinant in the beginning, I told 7 ways to expand. You can use first row and expand, or you can use first column and expand, right? That is as good as transposing only. Okay, Sai Kiran?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, this upper part I am removing it. That one. Okay, so now I have to take B2 common from the second row. Okay. Take B2 common from second row. Or R2. From R2. Take B2 common from R2. When I take, it will be C3 B2 A1 square plus B1. A1 A2 plus B2 and A1 A3 plus B3. This is B1, this is B2, this is B3, this is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Now I can do R1 as R1 minus R2. That will be C3 B2 A1 square, because B1 will go, B2 will go, A1 A2 and A1 A3. This is B1, this is B2, this is B3, this is C1, this is B2, this is C3. Now I can take A1 common here, and then I need to transpose it one more step. Okay, I'll write take A1 common from R1. This I'll write here. R1 as R1 minus R2.
Sir, the second method is little bit long, I think.
Yeah, but that is more easy to understand than first method because dividing at C3 and all. So I want to discuss method 2 as method 1 because even though it is long, at least we can see nicely what is happening one by one, but it's okay. No problem. This is A1, C3, B2 because I took A1 common. I think sometimes some people might have, there may be some quotes about this. I think somebody is lazy, they'll get better ideas.
Yes.
Okay. They will think why to write so much. They will say how to write, how to get in less steps. Okay. In that way, I am not saying laziness in the sense that they don't do work. Okay. So the particular connotation of laziness in this way is better. So I have to transpose it now. So A1, B2, C3, A1, B1, C1 like this, A2, B2, C2 like this, and A3, B3, C3 like this. The rows became columns. Okay. If you want, you can write since A transpose, det of A transpose is same as det A. Okay, method 3. Did I tell you that det of AB equal to det A into det B as one of the property?
Yes.
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 Okay, can anybody want to help me with this question? How to write this as product of two determinants? The given determinant as product of two determinants. Method 3. Given that is equal to, it is product of two determinants.
Sir,
Yes, I'm there. Tell.
sir, first determinant is A1, A2, A3.
Are you sure A1, A2, A3 are there in the first row in each and every element? Because if you want to tell something, first row this into this, this into this, this into this. Sorry, you have to observe something which is there common in first row in all the three elements.
A1.
Only A1, but we are looking for three elements. Okay, so it is, I want to take it as A1, 1, 1.
In the
And
other
this-
side, we can take, sir, A2, A3.
No, you can take
Like-
other side, not a problem. But we have to see, you have to see what elements are there common in first column. That is the first column of second matrix, and something like that. Anyway, I am writing here B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay. At least anybody want to tell me what is the second row?
B2,
B2 1 1.
B2, sir.
B2.
Are you sure B2 1 1? No.
1 B2, 1, sir.
1. Yes.
0 B2 1, not 1B, because we don't want any A in the second row.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now anybody want to tell me third one?
0 0 C.
Sir, 0,
0 0 C.
0, 0, C3.
Yes. Now we can see first row into first column is the given element, first row into second one, first row into third one, similarly everything will match. Okay. For, see, this is a big determinant. I don't want to write so many steps. This is a reason in the multiplication of matrices, I spent enough time on how to write a big matrix as product of two matrices. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. At that time, some people may find it difficult. In the very second or third class, I am giving big questions asking to write. Some people did not get an idea how to write. but it is not that it is useful there. Okay, I'm using here. Yes, please. Somebody is asking something.
Sir, so for multiplication is same for matrices and determinants.
Yeah, I said determinant of A plus B is not that A plus that B. When you add two matrices and find determinant, it is not sum of the individual determinants. But when you multiply two matrices, you get a big matrix. Find the determinant of that, it is product of the individual matrices. We did not tell the proof. I said proof is beyond the scope and we'll discuss later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now we also discuss one more thing. For a triangular matrix, upper or lower triangle.
The determinant
product of
is
the-
some product of that.
Yes.
Right.
So that's it. We got it done. A1, B2, C3, and the transpose it because for the answer sake they wanted answer like that, which is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3.
Sir, what did you use, sir? I didn't listen.
You multiply these two, you'll get the big matrix. That is clear, right?
Yes, sir. That one I
After
got.
that, for any triangular matrix, upper or lower triangular matrix, the determinant is product of the diagonal elements.
Yes, sir.
Even if we expand normally, A1 into what will come? B2, C3 minus 0. 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0, nothing to write. So that is the determinant of this. This one I transposed it, all right, to get the answer. That's it. We got in 2 steps only, right? I don't have to write
Yes,
big expressions. Yeah. Okay. I have not even given this question in intermediate exam, but if they do give, don't write method 3 because sometimes they may give for 4 marks and 7 marks maybe. Even though it is a smart way and everything is correct. All right. So don't write this in board exams. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Strictly speaking, they should give marks because it's a very nice way and it is proper. But still, some people may not understand or something, or they will expect a long solution for 7 marks. More marks doesn't mean the solution should be lengthy. Solution can be smart also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But they expect lengthy also. Okay. They even call them very short answer questions, and long answer questions. So they expect answer to be, then the solution to be long, I guess. I think there should be one section, smart answer questions, smart solution questions, something like that. Okay, anybody doubt about third method?
No.
No, sir.
All right.
No, sir.
Okay, so I told you what is the determinant definition for 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. We discussed the properties and we done some questions where answer is 0, how to prove using properties, and some questions were done where we try to prove one determinant equal to another determinant without expanding. I have more questions like this, but anyway, you got some idea. Now, I want to discuss some particular model of the questions which will be keep coming, some standard model questions. Okay. What is this number we gave? 17, huh? What is this number?
15, sir.
15, sir.
So next number should be 16. Okay. Okay, 16. What this model of the question is, maybe when we do 1 or 2 questions, you'll understand. I'll just write, show that 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay. Of course, one may say I'll just expand this fully. I'll get a big algebraic expression. Multiply these two. Multiply this.
Properties also, nothing.
Yeah, we can do by properties. Okay. If you expand this and expand this, it is nice, but you know, they don't feel like giving marks in the exam, even though nothing wrong in that. Okay.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, but expanding is a lengthy process.
Yeah, let's say somebody doesn't get any idea, that is the last resort, right? At least they just expand this, they're equal, is correct. What is the wrong? Is there anything wrong with the solution?
No, sir.
Yeah, it may be long. Okay.
Yes.
Long but not wrong. Okay. But anyway, we'll discuss other ways. Whenever 1, 1, 1 is there, the standard process is we convert ones into zeros. Okay. If any determinant has a lot of zeros, it is advantageous because we can expand easily. We don't have to write a lot of terms. Many terms will be zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one of the goal in our matrix and determinants is when you're solving, try to get as many zeros possible. And we also know the answer. Okay. So try to get the answer. If this is not given, we don't know what to do. When it is given, for example, you know where you have to reach. Okay. It may be a joke, but I'm sure somebody might have heard of it. One time, some people are traveling in a flight. Okay. The pilot made an announcement that I have two news for everybody, all the passengers. Okay. I have one good news and one bad news. The good news is that we are going at the maximum speed a flight can go. Okay. I'm sure there are some flights which can go with a speed close to speed of sound. What is the speed of sound? Anybody have any idea?
330 meter per second.
Yes, roughly 330 meter per second. I think passenger aeroplanes may not go with that speed, even their international ones.
Jet planes can go.
Jet planes can go. Yeah. You heard of any plane called Concorde?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think now they are not running them.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. They were decommissioned, but they were traveling with close to speed of sound. Okay. But the maintenance and the parts became very costly, so they stopped it. Okay. So the pilot said we are traveling with the maximum speed. But the bad news is that we don't know where we are going. Okay. At least if they're going slow and they don't know where they're going, it's okay. But they're going at a good speed and they don't even know where they're going. Okay. So anyway, just a joke. But the point is, especially when you know what is the answer you want, you can always try to adjust your solution to reach that goal, right? Okay. So here I want A minus B. I want to do column 1 as column 1 minus column 2. What is the advantage? First, this minus this will be 0. Here I'll get A minus B. Here I'll get A square minus B square. So I'll be getting, when I do this operation, 0, A minus B, A square minus B square. Can I take A minus B common here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the same step, I want to do another operation, column 2 as column 2 minus column 3. Nothing wrong in doing two operations at one step, because when I done this, I changed only column 1, but column 2 did not change. Only I used column 2 here. Now, whether I do this operation the next step or the same step doesn't matter, because from second column, I'm removing third column. After this is over. Okay. After this is over, nothing happened to column 2. But now when we do this, I'll get 0 here. From this, I have to remove this B minus C. And from this, I have to remove this, which is B square minus B square.
So similarly, you can do column 3 also.
No, there is a problem. Okay, good that you asked. If I write column 3 as column 3 minus column 1, which column 1 should I use? Not the original column 1, because it's already changed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because if you do that, I'll prove to you every question answer is 0. You don't have to solve. Determinant chapter is over. Why? We'll get one more 0 here.
Yes,
and
sir.
one row is 0 is it. Okay, it is not that. So 3 operations you cannot do. Maximum 2, because when you do third operation, you will be using the new changed columns, not the original columns. That will be better to do in next step. Okay. Now I can take A minus B common, B minus C common. I'm not to write it. Maybe I'll write one more step. A square minus B square, I can write A plus B into A minus B. 0, A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. 0, B minus C, B plus C into B minus C. 1, C, C square. Take A minus B common from column 1 and take B minus C common from column 2. you will get a minus b common, b minus c common. You will get 0, 1 and a plus b. 0, 1 and b plus c. 1 c c square. Hemanshu, I did not see your chart. You understood that method 1 or any still doubt that some
Yes,
previous
sir.
question?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Saket Rokam, are you there in the class? Charan Sai, you don't have option to rename. Huh? Rohit and Charan Sai, the
No,
roll
sir.
number. Okay. When you join, the Zoom doesn't ask what name you want and all.
Sir, for
Option not
laptop
here.
it will ask.
It asks.
Okay. I think apart from that, you can directly go into your Zoom account and there you can change your name permanently, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
So you are facing this problem. Through which email you opened a Zoom account. There itself, which display name you want, you can permanently change it so that you will not have this issue at all. Okay, so I have done this. Now I can directly expand this, or I can subtract once again. Okay, what is the directly expand? 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0, 1 into this minus this into this. So a minus b. This is method 1. I will discuss another method for this. A minus b into b minus c into this is 0 minus 0 plus 1 into this is b plus c, and this into this is minus a plus b. So that is a minus b into b minus c. Here b will cancel. You will get c minus a.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so can we subtract column 1 from column 2?
Once again, you can do it. From column 1, if you remove column 2, you will get a minus c and then expand also it will come. No problem, you can do that.
Sir, can you tell again, sir? The
Yeah.
steps, sir.
Okay, basically, when 1 over 1, 1, 1 is there, any determinant, if zeros are there, it is easy. For example, here 2 zeros are there, it became easy to expand it. Because a lot of times I don't have to write 0 into anything will be 0. So how to get zeros? From first column I subtracted second column, so I will get 1 minus 1 0. From second column I subtracted this, I got 0. That is one advantage of doing this. Another advantage is when I factorize this a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b is here 0, anything is a factor. So I can take a minus b common here, I can take b minus c common here. Okay, then I got these two columns. And now you just expand it, it's okay. Is it fine now, Omkar?
So means the yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
They want us to prove this. We are trying to prove that. When you logged out and joined again, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I want to discuss method 2 for this. Okay, method 2. First, I'll respond to you later on. Okay. Method 2. When you expand this, is it an algebraic expression in terms of ABC?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can I say degree of each and every term in that algebraic expression is 3? What I mean is, when I expand directly, I'll get BC square minus B square C plus minus AC square plus A square C. Something will come. You can see the power here, sum is 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
similarly here. Okay, so everywhere the sum of the powers of each term is 3. So it is a third degree polynomial expression in terms of ABC, some algebraic expression. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Forget about this question. Let us say I have some A cube plus B cube plus something, some expression was there. I don't even know what it is. Some keys were there. I'm not writing purpose. I kept A equal to B in this. Wherever A is there. For example, in a polynomial, if I put x equal to 5, it became 0. What does it mean?
X is the 0 of
5 is a 0 of that, right? Can I
Yes,
say
sir,
x
value
minus
of
5? Can I say this is divisible by x minus 5?
Yes, sir. X minus 5
Yes,
is the
sir.
factor.
Yes,
X
sir.
minus 5 is a factor of that. Yeah. So in a polynomial f of x, if you substitute x equal to k, if it becomes 0, you can say x minus k is a factor of that, or it is divisible by x minus k. The same way, if I have an algebraic expression, if I put a equal to b, if this whole thing becomes 0, can I say this is divisible by a minus b?
No, sir.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
A minus B is 0.
Okay, let's say a and b are, that means a and b are variable numbers. We don't even know what they are.
Yes, sir, but they're equal. No, sir. When we subtract them, they will
Why
become
a and b
0.
are equal? I'm not saying a and b are equal.
A is
I'm
equal to
saying
B.
no, I'm not saying a equal to b. I'm saying replace a with b if this expression becomes 0. Can I say a minus b is a factor of that?
Yes.
It is like, we are putting x equal to 5. X equal to 5 means we are substituting x as 5, then it became 0. I can say x minus 5 is a divisor of that, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this question is done just like that. You don't have to do anything. Just like that you can tell. You put a equal to b straight away in the question. What will happen to the first column?
It becomes
1b b square.
1B B square.
If two columns are same, is the dead 0?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is an algebraic expression. By substituting a equal to b, it is becoming 0. Means can I say a minus b is a factor of that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the place of b, substitute c. Then second and third columns are equal. Again, that is 0. So b minus c is a factor. C minus c is a factor. So I got already 3 factors. One may say into something else may be there. It can't be there because it's a third degree. And here degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, when you multiply it is third degree.
Yes.
Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll write that. Okay. It is a proper explanation which can be written in board exam. We generally try to avoid it. As far as possible, try to write the other method, but nothing wrong in this. Okay. But try to avoid in writing, but for understanding is good. Okay. By substituting okay, sometimes I forget spelling. By substituting a equal to b, given that is 0. By substituting a equal to b, column 1 equal to column 2, which implies given that is 0. So a minus b is a factor of given determinant. Okay, I think similarly I can write. I don't have to write all these details. Similarly, b minus c is a factor. Comma, c minus a is also a factor. and the given debt is a third degree algebraic expression in terms of ABC. A third degree algebraic expression in terms of ABC. I hope method 1 everybody copied fully, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, don't think solution is over. There is one problem. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Okay, which implies I should not write directly it is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. I cannot write anything more because third degree and these are the factors, but into minus 1 can come now. Into minus 2 can
Yes,
come.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so I
sir.
should write some K. Okay, so based on this, based on all this logic, we can only go tell up to here. Still into minus 1 or minus 2 may come in some other question or something. But to prove K equal, at least minus 1 is a possible option. Okay, so how to prove that K equal to plus 1 only? For that, we have to take some numbers. Take A equal to some number, B equal to some number, C equal to some number, find LHS, find RHS, you will get value of K. Alright. Here I have to write for some K belongs to R. Okay, how to prove that? Then if somebody want to tell some numbers, okay, I'll take A equal to 0, B equal to 1. I cannot take any two numbers same because then 0 equal to 0, I'll not be able to find K. I have to tell some ABC values where this is not 0, this is not 0. I'll take 0, 1, 2. Is it okay? And somebody substitute A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 2, find LHS and RHS. Maybe we'll write what is there. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4 is equal to K into 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 0.
Sir, you said that for proving a statement, we should not use examples.
Not we are proving a statement. We know this is always true. Whatever ABC you take, this must be true, na? Okay. So for finding K value, I can take any, not that you take these three, you take anything, same answer will come. Okay. We are not trying to prove, I want to find that number, and we know it is true for all values of ABC. Okay, so here I'll get 1 into 4
So
minus.
we can take any value and equate these two.
This same
find
answer
the
only will
value
come.
of K.
Yes, I took only 0, 1, 2. You take 500,000, same answer will come. You take 1 lakh, 1 crore, 10,000 crore, same answer will come. Not a problem. But we are trying to take some numbers which is easy to find. That's this is K is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into 2. This is 2, this is 2. So K equal to 1. Now put K equal to 1, we got the answer. That's so by putting K equal to 1, you can say hence proof, something like that. Okay, those who want, I'm not giving specific homework, but those who want to do something more homework in determinants, I prefer you do mains material first, all the even numbers. Odd numbers anyway I'll discuss tomorrow morning or afternoon I'll discuss. Okay. If somebody has time and you want to work, you can do mains even numbers. I'll take 10-15 minutes more. Not too much, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, anybody needs more time to copy or can I erase this whole thing?
So I can erase.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. That is the upper part, I think I can erase. Okay, I want to change 17th question to here as A cube, here B cube, here C cube. Okay, like previous question, anybody want to guess what kind of answer can come here?
Sir, a square minus b square minus c square minus a square.
Rupesh, that is 6th degree, right? What you are telling? Square,
Yes.
no? But here, when you take this into this minus this into this, it is 4th degree only. That is one thing. Second thing is a equal to b is factor we known. If you put a equal to minus b, there is no guarantee that these two columns will be same. That will be 0, right? So we cannot say a plus b is a factor. Okay. Anyway, definitely a minus b will come, no doubt. B minus c will come. C minus a will come. Because if you put a equal to b, these two are same. If you put b equal to c, these two are same. If you put c equal to a, these two are same. But when you expand this determinant, it's a 4th degree expression. But this is only 3rd degree expression. So there should be one more bracket here, one more expression here. But that should be single degree. Can I say maybe? Can I say that is a plus b? In the question, it can't be a plus b. I'll tell you why. Because is anything special about a and b compared to c, or all three are equally important in the question?
Equally important.
Yeah, that means if you remove right a as b, b as c, c as a, answer should not change. Frankly, because after all, it's cyclic order. Okay, so it is nothing special about that. Why are you missing c? So anybody want to tell me what is that single degree expression where a, b, c are equally present?
Plus b
Plus b plus c, sir.
Plus b plus c.
Yes, that is the answer. But this answer is that. Okay. This also will try to do by both methods. Method 1.
Sir,
Yes, please.
can't we take a plus b minus c or a minus b plus c?
Again, same problem. If you are taking a plus b minus c, what makes c special that you are putting minus only for the c? You can put for b, you can put for a, right?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in the before question, we did the, it means in the first type, we did column 1
Subtraction,
minus
yes.
column 2, no, sir. But
Yes,
here,
correct.
means a cube minus b cube, then how can we
What
do,
is the,
sir?
we can do it. A cube minus b cube, what is the factorization?
A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
Yes, we use that, you will get a minus b common. Is it okay, Omkar?
Sir,
Okay,
can
sir,
we take minus a minus b minus c?
Yeah, that's okay. Then we can get a minus outside. By this method, we'll prove height, it will be plus 1 only. You are right. In fact, if I just by mistake interchange these two or bring this up, this down, answer will be minus, na? If I give a question like a cube, b cube, c cube, a, b, c, 1, 1, it looks like everything nice and we can tell this answer, but actually answer will be minus of that. Yes, you're right, minus can come. We should be able to prove that also. Okay, so column 1 as column 1 minus column 2, column 2 as column 2 minus column 3, then LHS will be 0, a minus b, a cube minus b cube, 0, b minus c, b cube minus c cube, and 1 c, c cube. Okay, this is 0. This is a minus b. AQ minus BQ formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is 0. This is b minus c. This is b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. 1c c cube. Okay, now I will take a minus b common from column 1, b minus c common from column 2. Take a minus b common from column 1, b minus c common from column 2. Himabindu, you are able to follow comfortably?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a minus c, this is b minus c. 0, 1, a square plus ab plus b square. 0, 1, b square plus bc plus c square. 1c c square. I can expand this directly. If I wanted, I can do one more time the subtraction of these two. Anything is okay.
So that is c cube plus 1.
Oh, this is. Thank you. Okay, we'll write second method for this question and we'll stop. Today will not extend too much. So when I expand this, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into b square plus bc plus c square. This product minus a square minus ab minus b square. I can cancel b square. So that is a minus b and b minus c. And here, if I take a b common, I will get c minus a. Here, c square, I want to combine these two and these two. C square minus a square, I can write c plus a into c minus a. Okay, those who want to do even numbers in the mains material, even numbers up to 72, you can do based on the knowledge that I given till now. Is it okay? If you want to try.
Okay, sir.
But tomorrow I'll definitely discuss odd numbers up to that number so that you'll get better idea.
So we can leave that answer like that, sir. We should explain.
No, we wanted to prove this answer. You have to show that, right?
Yes, sir.
Pavan, anytime something, if I wrote small letters, you are not able to, because I try to write big, but by habit it becomes small again. If you're not able to see something, tell me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm going to take c minus a common here. It will become a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into b here and c plus a here. So which is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Okay, method 2. by taking A equal to B, column 1 equal to column 2 implies given that is 0. So A minus B is a factor of given that. Similarly, B minus C is a factor, and also C minus A is a factor. Okay, before I forget, I'm sure you already told by some teacher and it's a common sense. Especially in online situation, you are already watching the screen for 5 hours at least, morning 4 hours, afternoon I'm taking 1 hour, 5 hours. And especially physical copies of books are not there, either material or some people have not yet purchased textbooks. You may be watching them on the screen. So please avoid watching TV or mobile phone for other things, okay? Because already you are watching a lot. Okay. Normally in a physical class, I would have told you can watch TV for half an hour maximum in a day. Okay. Now, and it's also important you should do some physical exercise, to maintain the balance. You can do walking, jogging, skipping, at home cycling, something, some physical exercise, yoga, meditation, anything which can help you. And every year I'll come across few students, 1 or 2. They're very good students. They can actually go into IITs. Okay, they can get a good rank, but somehow they have some kind of addictions. Okay, like they get addicted to video games. Okay, or YouTube or Facebook or some these kind of things. They get addicted and they spend hours in that video games and all. They don't study, even though you are smart and when I explain, you understand. After class, the practice is also important. Okay, so if you waste time in these kind of things, it will affect at the end of 2 years. So suddenly last 4 months you say I want to improve, what should I do? You can do something but not so much. Okay, so please take care of these things. Okay, everybody completed method 1 fully, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly B minus is a factor and also C minus is factor. Okay, nice. Next, given that is an algebraic expression of 4th degree. Okay, given that is an algebraic expression of 4th degree in terms of ABC. So A plus B plus C is also a factor. Because already 3rd degree came, we want 1 more degree where A, B, C are equally present. I'm not writing all the reasons. A plus B plus C is also a factor. So I can say now 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to, you can write K or lambda alpha something. K into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C for some K belongs to R. But how to find that K? You take some numbers like previous one. So not that always you take that only. I can even take A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to minus 1 also. That's what the big deal. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 equal to K into 1 minus 0, sorry, 0 minus 1, 1 minus minus 1, minus 1 minus 0. And what about their sum? Oh, it's not a good choice because A plus B plus is 0. But to take 0, 1, 2, 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 8. 0 minus 1, 1 minus 2. 2 minus 1 and no, 2 minus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1 minus 1 was good choice for the previous question, but not here because a plus b plus c is 0. You get 0 equal to 0, there is no use of that. Then answer is coming 6. I'm sure the other side also 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Okay, so I'll get 6 equal to 6k. From that, I'll get k equal to 1. And put k equal to 1 back, we will get the answer. Okay, we'll stop here. If you completed up to here, we can do. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.